Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to my channel. My name is Josh. Right now, today, I'm gonna be fishing out over at a local place called Hampton Manor up in upstate New York. Yesterday didn't really have too much luck at all. I've been out there for maybe about 3 or 4 hours, so we were fishing at a reservoir yesterday. Didn't really get too much footage of that, but hopefully I get something today and show you guys what it's like. Again, thank you for watching, and hope you guys enjoy. All right. Since it looks a little promising, we're gonna go with the frog. Let's get the frog. The frog. Yesterday I had this guy on, and not the frog, but I had this line on, and I had a fluorocarbon leader because it's kind of fishing Texas rigs and wacky rig systems on this. So I cut that off because I kind of found my other rod that I didn't know I had. All right, let's give this a try. You want to try fishing that line? Where the weeds are? Let's try it. Here, I'm gonna move over here. I'm gonna try to stay a distance because oh boy, there's a lot of doo-doo. A lot of moist doo-doo. I hate that word. Ew. Let's see. I hope you do. It's been a while, man.
I caught two over there, and it was one that I missed. So one didn't fill the hooks yet. So there's one over there that's ready to cut.
Oh no.
Yeah, it's gonna be over here. Are you gonna move down?
Yeah, I'm gonna move down. Oh, here we go. I can't see it either.
Oh, I see him. Yeah, he's looking at it. He's looking at it. He's about to grab it. Yep.
Oh, come on. Oh. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
You recording?
Nope.
This one that's got my weight to it too.
I am getting... Look at this. Ready? You want to see some green goo? Oh, it's not on it. All right, good. All right, I just walked myself all the way over here. I don't know how I'm gonna see anything. Oh, but they cut down a lot of stuff over here. I hope I don't fall into a little hole, because that's the last thing I would like to do, is fall into a crazy hole, which I think I'm going to. But we're gonna give this a try right over here. Oh yeah, this looks promising. Oops. Oh. I just got swiped. He came up and tested it. Ugh. Trying not to sink. That's what I don't want to do, is sink in this quicksand with all this gear on me. Oh, what? What? Oh no. Really? Oh my god, as I was reeling in, he just swiped right at it. My back breathed for a little bit. Jesus. Oh! 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 He's got him! He's got him! Get him up! Get him up! Oh! Come on! Oh! He's hooked. Nice!
Yes. You got the recording?
It's recording, baby. Woo!
Oh, he ain't that big, but hey.
Hey, actually, what do you mean he ain't that big? He's a nice size, dude.
About 2.5 probably.
Oh, nice. That was a perfect. Look at him.
Look at that. That mouse, dude.
Wow.
That mouse, baby.
Yeah, pull him up. Pull him up.
Hey guys, we've been out here all day. All day.
How many hours you say?
Probably about 4, maybe 3. I don't know. I had lost count. But we've had a couple of...
It's been a full day. It's 8 hours, bro.
Dude, how long has it been? I don't even know. We've been...
Get him back in.
Oh, it's gonna suck.
You're gonna have to toss him.
I'm sorry.
Oh,
Oh,
God.
enough energy. Yeah, he good.
He good. He out.
Yeah, he cut me too.
Anh biết là không ai thay thế được anh ta, cũng phải đến nghe chân rời cảng và chuyển tàu nhanh xa.